Right, hello. I am going to show you a very quick video on how to make text changes on your website through Elementor. It's going to be a quick video. So, I have one browser, one tab open for the front end of the browser, so we can see the changes that we make. I have another tab where I've already logged into the back end of WordPress. Now, on this website, I'm going to the pages. On this website, there is only one page. I'm hovering over it, go to the last step, the last option, edit with Elementor. I click on that and I let the page builder Elementor load. Once it's loaded, there's two parts to it. On the right hand side, I can see what the front end of the website looks like. On the left hand side, I see the options and tools that are available to me. So as you can see, as I'm hovering over the different sections, they're highlighted as I'm hovering over them. We just want to make a text change for today, so I'm hovering over the first paragraph. I clicked on it. Now that I've clicked on it, you can see that the rectangle, the container, has been selected. As I've selected it, the left panel here has changed and given me options for the content, in this case the words. So what I'm going to do is make a change to one word. I'm going to change a word, circumstances, for situations. It's tempting to click on this and make the changes in this box here, which is possible. However, I recommend going to the left-hand side of the panel because there's less probability of making mistakes. It can get quite confusing and unintuitive. Okay, so I've made the change. The button at the bottom, the purple button, update. Update is publishing it. It's now making the changes that I've made live. So let's go to the other tab at the front end. Still the old word. Let's refresh it. And there we go. Circumstances has now been changed to situations. Thank you very much. Bye.